Hey guys, Jim and Donnelly Ford here in Mount Vernon, showing you another recent trade. 2019 Nissan Titan, 71,000 miles. It is the big V8 in there. Does have front sensors, really good tires on it, good off-road type Firestones. Obviously you got your window guards, light leather interior in there. Of course, all the standard amenities like backup cameras, power windows, blind spots, all that good stuff. Of course, these back seats fold up as well. A little bit of storage underneath them. Really good shape there. A couple of USB ports in the back. Don't really see a whole lot of vehicles with caps these days. Obviously got a nice cap on this one. It does have the spray-in bed liner. Backup sensors. Tow package, of course. But a really nice inexpensive truck, guys. I think we've got around 27 grand, you know, so mid $500 payment range. Really nice little truck if you don't want to spend 60 grand and get a brand new F-150. Really good alternative for you.